Hey guys, a lot of people say that I'm making another Minecraft clone, so I made this video to prove to some of you guys that this has nothing to do with Minecraft. I would say it's more like Teardown, if anything. Okay, I created a wall and I'm getting really close to applying some destruction logic so we can break this wall down by colliding with other objects at an impact point. Now, we all know how important it is to draw castles fast, so I developed this feature that allows you to build walls. So it's basically like Photoshop in a Minecraft-like world that allows you to build things like walls in a very simple way. You can rotate it, and this shape can also be a circle. Think of it more like a brush that you're going to use to draw blocks in the world. You can change the height and rotation of this cube or circle. And let's take a look at another thing. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna press a key that will destroy this wall. It's not quite there yet. Now, this is the first stage where we just break the wall up into smaller pieces. The engine is going to track this as a voxel clump. This red area is going to become a separate object. So it's definitely not like Minecraft because we can destroy things. And in the next videos coming up, I'm actually going to show you physics where all of these blocks will be flying around all over the place, colliding with each other and other objects around them. And another thing, guys, you can break up regular size blocks into smaller blocks and work with that level of detail. But then you can break up these blocks also into smaller blocks and continue crafting your object at this new scale. So as you can see, guys, it's not like Minecraft at all. It's just the same genre, which is the Voxel engine. I've already created things like castles, and here's the level of detail to expect so far, but I think I'm going to break down the blocks even smaller scale. Now, I'm not a designer or architect myself, but imagine what somebody who's actually talented at this could create at this level of detail. If you like this project so far, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned up for the next upgrade.